Hey traders, this is Cousin Vinny coming to you on the 27th, Sunday, with a look at the week ahead and my thoughts now that we've tested the 1152 area on the ES. Currently trading up off of that level Sunday night. So without further ado, let's check out the ES. We had these levels from the October 4th low to the October 27th high. Okay, and now we have this pivot here down to this low. So this is our targets for the week. Alright, currently we're right at this 1176 area, testing that. If we look at the TOS 4-hour chart, we can see that we are right at that level. Okay, so presently looking at the 382 as the first likely target, 1195, if we continue to trade up. Okay, and then you can see our other targets for the remainder of the week, the 1210 and the 1225. I'm not saying we're going to get up that high during this week, but those are definitely things that I'm looking at going into this week, the last week of November, going into the Christmas rally. Okay, looking at the Dow futures, same scenario here. We can draw our fibs from this pivot here down to the current Friday pivot. Alright, you can see the 618 is 11,798, a little bit off the 12,000 level. So that's what I'm looking at presently on the ES and the Dow. Okay, now the spiders, we can expect a gap up in the morning, so I'd be watching those levels as well. The 122s, I have the 120 December calls that I took as a swing into the weekend, believing that the fibs that held on Friday, the 1152 or the 115s, was a likely bounce area, so I'm scaling in. I normally would be in about 10 by now if I was a little bit more, had a little bit more conviction, but for the time being I'm just in 5 and have a pretty good entry towards the close of the day on Friday. Okay, so I have the SPY calls, and I took off the SPY puts on Friday, so that straddle is no longer a straddle, it's just straight calls. Okay, anyway, that's just a quick look. This is Cousin Vinny coming to you from Day Trading Radio, where the futures are presently trading off of the Friday lows, and we'll see what news comes out this week. But I believe there's an Italian bond auction, so keep that in mind going into the week, and we'll see you in the room. Remember to use your stops. Take care.